If you want to make your avatar talk using artificial intelligence but can't decide which tool to use, watch this video until the end, because I will compare 3 different tools for you. If you're ready, let's start quickly. The first tool we will use to make the avatar talk is Artflow. I've previously explained how to create a character from your own photo in detail, which you can find on my channel. After entering the homepage, click on the Video Studio section, and you'll see the photo of the character you created. Now, I select the scene I want here. I uploaded the scene I created using my own photo. I click on the dialogue section, and it immediately detects my face and moves my mouth, because there are voice options here. However, since I will compare all the tools, I will use the same audio file in all tools. So, I uploaded an audio file via 11 Labs. Let's listen to it first. This channel earns an average of $6,000 per month. I will upload the same audio file to all the tools to compare them more easily. Otherwise, while creating the voiceover in Artflow, you can also use the text field. You can choose any of the voice actors from the voice library. All I have to do here is upload my audio, click the export button, name my file, and then wait for Artflow to prepare the video for me. It doesn't take too long. Approximately 5 minutes later, our Artflow video will be ready. We'll see my talking avatar together. Yes, the video is ready. Let's watch it on the big screen together. Let's see how the lip movements and eyebrow movements are. This channel earns an average of $6,000 per month just from cat videos. You can do it too. How? If you're ready, I'll start explaining step by step. I don't want to make my comment before testing the other tools, so I quickly move on to the next tool. Our second tool is Runway. I'll leave its link below. It's a platform where you can produce videos, design visuals, and make avatars talk. I'll test the lip sync video feature for you here with the free credits it provides. I'll proceed using the same visual again. I had already uploaded it here beforehand. You can select and upload your file as well. This can be any cartoon character or whatever you want. Again, for comparison, I will proceed with the same audio file. I can either upload my audio file here or record it on Runway. I uploaded my audio file to Runway. My prepared audio from 11 Labs has been uploaded here. I can preview the audio file here, delete it, and upload it again if needed. Once I upload it, I can find it in the library. I made my selection, and then I directly clicked on Generate. Here, we have to wait a few minutes as well. Once the video is ready, we'll listen to it together from here. Let's see how the lip movements are here, or the head movements. This channel earns an average of $6,000 per month just from cat videos. You can do it too. How? If you're ready, I'll start explaining step by step. By the way, I'll also explain how to make money from cat videos. You can use that as well as a demo on this screen. The lip movements are actually quite clear, but as I said, I'll give my final comment at the end of the video after testing all 3 tools. Let's quickly move on to the third one. Our third tool is Hedra. Hedra is a completely AI-based tool designed specifically for making characters talk. Its interface and usage are therefore quite simple. After signing up, you are given 5 free attempts, and these renew every day, meaning you get 5 free talking avatar attempts daily. This is the Hedra interface. You can write text here to create a voice recording or upload a pre-recorded audio file. If you want to convert text to speech, there are different voice options in the library. By the way, Hedra collaborates with 11 Labs, so you can use all the free voices available on 11 Labs here for free.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
God has given you one face, and you make yourself another.
I uploaded my file here and proceeded. I can preview my audio here as well. This channel earns an average of $6,000 per month just from cat videos. Let's move on to the visual section. Here you can upload your visual for the character or recreate it from scratch using the provided features. You can also take a live photo of yourself via your phone or computer. I uploaded the same visual here, loaded my same character, and all I had to do was click Create Video and wait. It states that it will take about a minute, and once the video is ready, we'll watch the talking avatar created by Hedra together. Here's the talking avatar created by Hedra. This channel earns an average of $6,000 per month just from cat videos. You can do it too. How? If you're ready, I'll start explaining step by step. Now, I want to summarize the differences between these three tools for you. Firstly, Artflow doesn't have a voice recording feature. Runway doesn't have a text-to-speech feature. All of them allow you to upload audio files. As for time limits, Artflow allows a maximum of 30 seconds per video, Hedra also allows 30 seconds, and Runway allows up to 40 seconds per video. Additionally, within a single project, Artflow lets you create 20 different talking avatars, Runway allows 10, and Hedra only allows one project. I'll leave the links to these three tools in the description so you can check and compare their package features. However, keep in mind that Hedra is specifically designed for making avatars talk, so its limits are naturally more restricted and different because it encourages you to upgrade to a paid plan. On the other hand, we've reviewed Artflow and Runway before. Especially with Artflow, you can create videos, characters, and consistent scenes featuring your character. Now let's see the talking avatars created by these three tools in the same scene and compare the differences. With Hedra, it is very noticeable that it focuses more on head movements, making them more dynamic and prominent. However, this also causes some blurriness in the movements. For now, we tested these avatars using free plans. Of course, if we upgrade and pay for the tools, the results will be better. On Runway, the lips move more naturally when speaking. You can clearly understand the words by watching the lip movements even without sound. I think Runway achieves this successfully. However, the natural look of the avatar's overall appearance seems a bit off. If this avatar were to speak normally, the lips wouldn't move this way. Now let's move to Artflow. Artflow has kept itself a bit more reserved in this field, since its focus isn't solely on making avatars talk. You can use it for many video-related purposes, like creating characters or placing them in different scenes. That's why there's a clear difference here. On Artflow, the lips seem to only move up and down as if opening and closing, which doesn't look very natural. So, which tool do you think made the avatar talk better? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.